In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Twitter tracker on Axiom so you can monitor tweets from influential crypto accounts directly inside of the platform. This is a great way to catch market-moving news and token announcements without relying on third-party tracking tools. If you haven't already, we highly recommend watching our tutorial on adding a wallet tracker on Axiom in our channel because the wallet tracker covers many of the same navigation steps, so this will make the guide much easier to follow. And then all you have to do is select or choose any meme coin. You need to copy the wallet address, go to the trackers, and then add the wallet manually. Now, once you are here, you see that you have the option to add the Twitter handles. Now, the customized feed is where you can personalize the Twitter feed you're tracking. Of course, you can adjust what types of tweets or activities appear. This keeps your feed organized and reduces unnecessary noise. The Twitter alerts lets you receive notifications whenever a track account posts or new tweet or meets specific conditions. This helps you react quickly to market-moving news, token announcements, or influencer posts without constantly monitoring Twitter itself. Now, this is where you can add the Twitter handle. All right. Now, the socials displays the connected social media profiles. Now, after that is going to be the import, which allows you to upload a list of Twitter handles all at once instead of adding them individually. This is especially useful if you already have a watch list of influencers, developers, or projects you want Axiom to monitor. And then the export allows you to download your current list of tracked Twitter handles, which is useful for creating backups, sharing your watch list with others, or transferring it to another device or workspace. And last is going to be adding the handle. Here you can manually add a new Twitter account to your tracker. Simply enter the Twitter username. For example, let's say we have this, and Axiom will begin to track its activity so you can receive updates and alerts whenever that account posts new content. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to add a Twitter tracker on Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.